The Siege of Justice, for the people of Sulaymaniyah and the silence that followed. My reflection on the attack on Lalazar. They said it was justice, but justice does not come with drones. It does not wear the uniform of a party, nor speak through the mouths of men who confessed before they were heard. Justice did not knock on the door of Lalazar. It came with fire. It came with the sound of boots and bullets, not with summons or dialogue. They said Lahud plotted death, but no court had spoken. No chance was given to surrender. Only the rooftop, only the final breath of defiance. And the accused? They appeared on screens before they appeared in court, their stories sculpted by fear, their faces offered to the public like trophies of a war not yet judged. This is not justice. This is theater, where power writes the script, truth is rehearsed, and law is just a costume worn by the victor. But true justice is quiet. It listens before it speaks. It does not kill to prove its purity. It does not fabricate to justify its violence. Justice is the breath withheld in every mother's chest as she waits for her son to return. Justice is the question that cannot be silenced. Who decides? Who speaks? Who dies? Let the people remember. Let the city speak. Let the silence be broken, not by vengeance, but by truth.